Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com.
Up first this evening, Minister of Transport Darrell Vaz has rescinded the proposed ban on ride-hailing companies operating in the country until the regulatory framework is put in place.
On June 4, Minister Vaz announced a 12-month ban with immediate effect during his contribution to the sectoral debate in the House of Representatives after remains believed to be of Daniel Anglin were found.
Now, Ms. Anglin was reportedly abducted after boarding a vehicle connected to one of the ride-hailing companies on May 13.
But Friday's decision to cancel the ban comes after one of the telecommunications providers requested supporting legal documentation to indicate whether the authority implement such restriction.
I received a formal response from one telco 6 days later on the 10th, and one I have yet to get a response from. And in discussions, both have indicated an unwillingness to block the apps on the basis that there is no legislation in place. I feel very strongly that any minister of government who sees or deems an issue as a national security risk, that legislation should be in place, and it should be clear and definitive that it is an instruction and an order, not a request. And I will be moving to have discussions with the Minister of National Security and my cabinet to make sure that this is done in the shortest possible time.
Meanwhile, Minister Vaz indicated that while the announcement did not have the expected impact, it brought several ride-hailing operators to the table for much-needed dialogue geared towards regulating and streamlining the service.
The public was also sensitized on the possible dangers of using ride-sharing applications.